Hey guys, Dragon Grant G101 here, and I just got back from my Black Friday sale at my local Target, and I got 3 of these games for just about $108, and I'm going to be unboxing one of them right here, and I'm going to be unboxing Assassin's Creed 3. Well, it's not really an unbox, but it's kind of like an unwrapping. I'm just going to call it an unboxing. So I got to get this cellophane wrapper stuff off. My fingernails. There's not going to be much to show in here because just like the game and the little manual thing. There we go. Yeah. I just thought I'd get it. I've never really played or bought any Assassin's Creed games, but the price was amazing. It was $60, and then they gave you a $20 gift card back, so that you could buy anything else. Stuff's really hard. There we go. It's a game. I'm not sure how long ago this game came out, but I have the first Assassin's Creed that my friend gave me, but I didn't get that far into it, so I just thought I'd get this since it was on sale, just to try out the series. Let's get this. Oh yeah, it's a little like barcode thing right there. Now, let's open the game. Whoa, it comes with 2 discs? Okay, I did not know that. So that it comes with the first disc. I'm not going to take them out because I don't want to get them all scratched up and stuff. It comes with the first disc right there. And it is upside down. Let's just spin this around. There we go. Disc 1, single player. It comes with disc 2. That is multiplayer. And then, just look at these manuals. Oh yeah. These are pretty important right here, so I will not show you this. I will cover up this code right here with the manual, because it's the passport for online games, and just the manual. They didn't give you a very detailed manual in this game. Just kind of like standard, like just controls, just like ads for other games that they sell. So, make sure to comment, rate, subscribe, share, favorite, like, all those stuff to promote my videos. It really helps me a lot. And I will do a few gameplay videos on this later. And go check out all my other videos. Yep, Dragon Grant G101 out.